Hey, this is Mike V from Reliable Automotive Equipment. We're here at SEMA 2019. We're handling some high quality tools for the collision industry, and I'd like to introduce one of the cool tools that we have, just came out at the show this week. This is the new MEC 600 from Weilander and Schill out of Germany. This is a carbide cutting tool tip to cut hem flanges off of door skins, quarter panels. It also has a adjustable depth cutter for cutting across the quarter panels for when you're cutting them off, to keep you from going into the reinforcements that are in the structure. You can get any of these products from our company, which is raeservice.com. We have an online store, or you can call Billy at the shop at 732-495-7900.